Hello students, welcome back to my channel. We are in the program of Palindrome. One more program with Python. Let us see how we are working or how we are creating a palindrome program. What were the codes, how to write a palindrome program in Python. As we all know, palindrome means such a string which pronouns or spells same from both the ends. Whenever we are writing any word, any term having same spelling from both the ends, that type of string is called as palindrome. For example, if we talk about the term madam, see M-A-D-A-M and M-A-D-A-M. From both the ends, the string is pronounced same. Similarly, M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M, Malayalam. It is also a same type of string which pronounced same from both the ends. That means that is a palindrome. How to write the programs for that? Let us see. Let us take a string, input, write the message, enter a string, then using the string slicing method, store it in the reverse format. Y equals to x dot x inside big bracket colon colon -1. What it means? It will print the string in reverse format. See, if we print x, it will print the main string. We can write the message, the main string is this one. If we write print again with the reverse string, reverse string is this one. Okay, we had got both the strings. Now check. Using if else statement, we will check if the value of x is equal to the value of y, then we will print the given string is palindrome. Okay, if not, else print the string is not palindrome. Okay, let us execute the program. For that we have to save. Control S. I am saving the program. Give the file name pg1. Now press the function key F5 to execute the program. It is asking for entering the string. It is one I is double here, no need to bother. If we write any string, let it be Dayanand. Is it palindrome? Let us see it is palindrome or not. See, Dayanand, but in reverse Dnanayd. It is not same. So this message is sorry, the string is not palindrome. Let us execute again. Go to run. See the function key F5. I am pressing it. Now give the string madam, MADAM, and enter. See the given string is palindrome. ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पर भी MADAM, रिवर्स भी आया MADAM, तो both the strings same. So this type of string which is having the same pronunciation from both the ends, reverse or main, it will be called as palindrome string. Okay, this much for this video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.